Hey guys, my name is Hayden. This is my first ever unboxing video. I have never done this before, and today I will be unboxing the Ftx Outlaw. So I'm not like your average unboxer who gets things brand new, never runs them, never even opens them, just for the camera. I have actually opened this and I have ran it, so the scratches on the chassis and paint aren't from bad quality, but from me driving it. Now, I got this RC down from Mischief and Mayhem Hobbies down in Nambour. The details will be in the description. Man, they're pretty good. Like, I think there's 3 guys who work there. Their advice is second to none. They gave me heaps of advice and also sold me a few extras, which I'll talk about later in the vid. Okay, now let's get down to business. This thing, it is 1/10 scale. It is 4x4. It is brushed, so it's not a brushless, but you can upgrade it to a brushless motor, which will make it over 2 times quicker. But this thing goes around 38 kilometers an hour. It is shaft driven, so it does have a shaft down the middle of it. It is 505 millimeters long, 320 millimeters wide, and 240 millimeters high. Okay, now the box is a bit tricky to get off. That's okay. Now, here's your remote. Here it is. The car itself. This thing is looking sweet. It's got good body pins, fully adjustable, so you can put, there's 3 levels on this first body pin tail, whatever you call it, so you can customize what pin you put it in. Man, the tyres are huge. It's even got a spare tyre at the back. Oh, it's got people in it, just add for the realistic thing, whatever. It's got a pretty cool paint job. Overall, it looks pretty cool on the outside. Now, what else is in the box? This is your standard battery. It is a nickel metal. It runs for about 15 minutes. And the charger charges for about 3 hours. Now, be warned, this charger does spike, and it's not a very good charger, which is why I went and bought this charger. It is the SD4, I think that's what it's called. It charges LiPo, Life batteries, LIHV, nickel metal, and NICD batteries. It will charge this battery in about 30 minutes probably, which I also got from Mischief and Mayhem Hobbies, but then I also went and bought this battery. Now this thing is pretty good. It's from Tornado RC. It's a good battery. It runs for about 30 minutes apparently. I haven't got that much runtime out of it yet. And on the standard charger, it would charge this battery in about 6 hours, but with the SD4, it will charge it in 1 hour 30. Massive difference. So, standard charger will charge your standard battery in 3 hours. It will charge this 30-minute battery in 6 hours. You get the SD4, this is it here. Will charge the 30-minute battery in 1 hour 30 and charge your standard battery in about 30 minutes. It's a 2-button battery, this, with battery type, so you know it does all 5 different batteries, and it goes up to 300 mAh current. Okay, now to the RC car and other stuff from here. So the box comes with your parts list, an exploded view, and it all shows you upgrades as well. It also comes with an electronic speed control sheet and an instruction manual for your remote. It also comes with a binding device that you plug into your RC, which binds your RC to your transmitter. It also had an aerial protector, but I've already put this in the RC. Okay, so now that we've looked on the outside of the RC, which it looks pretty cool, note the scratches on the underbody. That is from me doing pretty good bashing. Let's take the body clips off. Make sure you don't lose them, because a lot of people do, and they are, well, they add up. Sure, they're cheap, but they do add up. Oh, man, this one's... Oh. So there's your shell. It's got a roll cage underneath, which will protect your insides of your RC. Okay, so it's got a relatively large back suspension. Front suspension looks pretty mean. So here we have your brushed motor. There's your electronic speed control. There's your servo down in there. It says it's waterproof, but I wouldn't really trust its waterproofness. Now all the shocks and stuff are fully adjustable. So it's front suspension is fairly soft. I don't know how to make it a bit harder. And there's your drive shaft, or your thing. There's the rear differential, which allows all four wheels to spin. There's how you turn it on right here, but I haven't got a battery in it yet. There's your battery tray there. Now all of this is adjustable, as you can see with the shocks. Heaps of options there. Pretty much everything here is adjustable. The tyres are pretty large. I think the tyre width, just let me get the box. The tyre width is 55 millimeters. The diameter is 135 millimeters. Everything comes ready to run in the box. You just need 8 AA batteries for the transmitter, and like I said, an extra battery such as this one, and a better charger that doesn't spike and charges a lot quicker would be very helpful. I haven't done much without them. They are really good and I have loved them. They were a good purchase. This battery charger was $50 from Mischief and Mayhem Hobbies, and the really good battery was $30 from Mischief and Mayhem Hobbies. So they are a really good retailer. You should check them out. As I said, they are in Amber, and the details will be in the description below. Okay, now that I've got to show you the transmitter. On first glance, it looks fairly cheap and not very good, but then you look closer and it actually looks fairly good. So you've got an antenna that can go up and down, so easy storage. You've got the controls here, where there's the on and off switch. You got your trims to do whatever with the wheels. And I don't know what the other things are. You've got your binding switch to bind the remote to your RC car. And also you've got, if you wanted to recharge your batteries in here, that's how you do it. There's 2 socket things there. And you'd pull this open. You need 8 AA batteries for that, to run it. Okay, now I'm just going to turn the RC on and show you how it works. So I'll be using the standard battery. So you put it in like this. I normally do this and bring it back through just to keep it stable. It's got Velcro straps, so easy removal, quick and easy, and it's nice and stable. Tuck it behind there. I've got to bring this one through, and so like that. You gotta feed this back through, then back through this clip, and like so, and then you turn it on, and it should make that noise. Now nothing else happens, but you'll notice when I turn the remote on, the wheels will turn straight. So I'll turn the remote off again. Oh, just wait, I'll turn the remote on. Twist the wheels. Oh no, that doesn't work. So I'll just twist the wheels like this. Turn the remote on, and it turns them straight back to normal. Also, when the remote's on and the car is connected, you'll see 3 lights, green and red. Now, for turning, this thing is pretty good. Nice, not too bad turning. Okay, now, throttle is quick. Now, if you watch underneath it, I'll just hold it. You'll see the drive shaft spinning, and it guns it. Like on tarmac, it goes a lot faster on tarmac, of course, than gravel and dirt. But this is a rock racer, so you can drive it along rocks really quickly, hence the soft suspension and stuff. You can drive it on dirt, tarmac. I'd take it to a skate park, which would be pretty cool. Just don't gun it too hard or you'll break it. A lot of these things are replaceable. There's a wide variety of stock parts on the FTX website, which I'm not sure is Australian. But you can go to your local hobby store and they might have something there. Most of the parts, I reckon, come in carbon fibre and steel, like the chassis can be carbon fibre. These things, the swing arms, whatever they're called, will eventually need to be replaced as they take a bit of a battering. You'll need them to probably be steel. If you want to upgrade to brushless motor, you'll have to use the drive shaft steel, make it steel and stuff. Make it steel because it won't handle the stress of the brushless motor. That's about it. Now, thank you very much for watching. I'll need you to like and subscribe, and couldn't have done this without my cameraman, Jack. So please like and subscribe, and thank you, and bye.